araw na ito. Okay? Once again, happy! Opo, wag po kayong galit masyado. Okay. Happy! 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 Magagaling ha. Bababa mo kapag nagsasalita na sila. Okay. Happy! 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 Sabay-sabay pa rin. Tingnan natin dito sa round 4. Happy! 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 Okay, and this is the last round. Okay. Happy birthday, birthday, happy, happy, happy birthday, 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 happy, happy, happy birthday. Hep, hep! So there you have it. That was some of the things for you, baby Alasana. Okay, so now, as we move on to our program, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to request everybody to please all stand for the Lord's moment, to thank Him for all the wonderful blessings to shower to all of us, especially to our birthday celebrant here in front.